DJ Stiz on the beat, boy.
Good morning. I come up here looking like whatever because I know when Shorty gets together, she be looking bad with my no rhythm. So my first day off. Okay. So yeah, first day off, like where I'm not even relaxing. I took the next 3 days off, and you'll be seeing me in the next 3 days. So I took the next 3 days off. I was like, 2 of the days I had a lot of like between doctor's appointments for me, doctor's appointment for Junior, just a lot of stuff to do in between. I was like, I need to take Tuesday off, and then Thursday there's more appointments, and there's more appointments, and so Tuesday today is a lot of stuff going on, and then Wednesday I was like, I'm gonna take at least Wednesday off because I only took Tuesday and Thursday originally because Thursday there's another appointment that Junior has, and so I was like, let me take Wednesday off so I could just try to pamper myself. And I've been doing a lot of stuff. I know that doesn't sound right, but that's what it is right now. I've been doing a lot of stuff, so I needed to have at least one day where I really didn't have to do anything. So I just dropped the kids off to school, and I am going to clean my room, which you'll see in a second. I don't know if I'm going to clean my room or start my husband's acoustic panels that I went and got the stuff for this past weekend. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm just gonna wing it because I just feel like doing that today. But I will see you guys in a little bit, whatever I choose to do. Bye. Whew, excuse me. So I guess I just get too excited when I start knowing that I get to do woodwork, because I forgot to put the camera on to show you guys that I was cutting these. But so basically I'm building acoustic panels. I got the 5 feet cut. This is 21.5 inch cut. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't like these. Well, they're not bad screws from what I can tell right now, but what I don't like about this is that they don't label them. And for beginners, like, I don't want to have to take the measuring tape out to measure what I need, but I like the ones, like, I bought some off of Amazon, and they're pocket hole screws, and they have them labeled on the top of the box on which container has which screw in it. But for these, I had to measure just to be sure because I'm still a newbie. But yes, so I basically have to pre-drill holes in each of these sides to try to so my wood doesn't split. I'm gonna try to include the video that I used for this, but I'm not doing as many as he's doing, and I'm actually making mine bigger, so I just used that video as a reference guide. I'm still learning about, like, the drill bits, and it's good that they come with, like, the measurements on them, so I can kind of tell what exactly I'm going to need. Okay. Where's my safety goggles? Oh, they're on my head. So the guy in the video said to kind of pre-drill your screws in so that it's easier when you're going to try to line it up onto the bigger boards. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pre-drilled in here, pre-drilled in here. All right, let's try something else. I'll be right back. Okay, with some trial and error, I kind of figured out how to put it on, but I did it. I don't know if you can see it. I did it. It's a little uneven now, which I'm a little concerned about, but I think we can still make it work. I'm going to attempt to get the other one on now. I had to end up having to pre-drill some holes into it after I get the angle. Just a professional probably would have been able to figure out how to pre-drill the holes without screwing them in, but I'm not a professional. I'm still a beginner, and I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm definitely gonna make it work. See, it goes up. I don't know why it does that.
DJ Stiz on the beat boy.
Oh no! Baby! I went through the wood. It's in there, but I definitely went through the wood. Guys, I went through the wood, and I need to know. Yeah, I messed up. Oh, that sucks. It's still holding together, it just sucks because I know it's there. AKA, get a better drill. All right. I don't know how much of me you can see over there. So this is to just hold it in. I'm going to leave the original video down so you guys can use that as a reference. Or you could copy him to the T. I didn't copy him because I needed different measurements. But for the most part, I copied the material that he used. So I'm going to link his video down below so that you guys can also use that as a reference.
DJ Stiz on the beat boy.
I don't know. Babe, where's your charger at? I bet you Mariah has it, right?
Kitchen? Kitchen.
Check the kitchen, Jay.
Oh. Oh.
Unless you know what you're doing or you paid attention. Okay. Injuring yourself, sponsored by. No sponsor, guys. I'm just kidding. But I really like this. Now I found out about this through my like labor and delivery journey with when I was pregnant with Jiraiya. But let me tell you, it's helping this finger because I don't know what kind of pain. Can you guys see like the two dots where like it literally punctured through my finger? It's swollen. So here's the thing. This is my second construction boo-boo. And it's on the same finger. It's on the same finger. So I made the boo-boo of touching the saw blade right after I finished using it. So I burnt like straight up where my finger is. And then I just stapled nails gun through my finger. Whew, saying it makes me feel anxious, but I am okay. So, yeah, I'm going to finish this up and y'all see that, okay?
Your boy Stiz got another hit.